Good morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the seventh video lecture of the chapter Magnetism. In today's video, we are going to see handling of magnet and storing of magnet. In essence, I can also say we will also see the storing of a magnet. See, magnets are not permanent. It loses its magnetic property. So a magnet loses its magnetic property when it is hammered, or dropped from height, or heating. So generally, when you hammer a magnet, when you drop the magnet from a certain height, means a high position, and if you heat a magnet will lose its magnetic property. So if you don't want your magnet to get damaged, what you have to do, you have to avoid it hammering. Do not drop it from height and don't heat it. When you heat it, magnet will lose its magnetic property. One more thing, with time magnet loses its magnetic property. So it has to be stored in a certain way. Then only we can keep the magnet for long duration. For example, if there is a horseshoe magnet or U-shaped magnet, there is a horseshoe magnet. For example, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole. So if you want to store this magnet so that it lasts longer, what best way is to place a strip of magnetic substance. You have to place a strip of magnetic substance. So it can be soft iron. So a strip of soft iron is kept between the opposite poles, so the magnet will last for longer. If you have two bar magnet, so best way to store a bar magnet is to keep the magnet with the opposite pole close to each other. If you are keeping North Pole here and South Pole here, so the other magnet, so bar magnet should be stored in pair. There should be South Pole and North Pole, and there should be a magnetic, this means strip of soft iron, or one more you will keep here like this. So two strips will be placed like this. So if you want to store a bar magnet, you have to store the bar magnet in pair, and making sure that opposite poles remain close to each other with a strip of magnetic substance or a strip of soft iron. This strip of soft iron is called keepers. So keepers, what if someone asks you what is keeper? Keeper is a strip of magnetic substance that is used to store the magnet properly. So these are the keepers which help to store the magnet like this. So if you store the magnet like this, it will last for longer. So magnetic property will remain for longer. So If we are talking about handling a magnet, if you are handling a magnet, you have to make sure that you should not hammer it, you should not drop it from certain height, and you should not heat it, because by doing so you will lose it means magnet will lose its magnetic property. Apart from that, if you want the magnet, means since the magnet loses its magnetic property with time, if you want to store the magnet for long duration, you have to store in a certain way. What is the certain way? If it is a bar magnet, then you place a strip of magnetic substance between the north pole and south pole. If it is a horseshoe magnet, place a strip of magnetic substance between the poles. If it is a bar magnet, you better store the bar magnet in pairs, making sure that opposite poles remain close to each other. Means north pole remain close to south pole, and south pole remain close to the north pole, and keeping a strip of magnetic substance at both the end. And this strip of magnetic substance is called keepers. So keepers keep the magnet in safe manner so that it lasts for longer. So okay, this was the topic that you have to see. In next video we will see about the uses of magnet. What are the different uses of magnet? Okay, thank you.